Fail. It's not a function. How to represent a function? The function notation. Y equals 2x plus 3. This is an equation because we have equality sign. X is called the independent variable. Y is a dependent variable. Because x, you can put any value on the set. If it is a real set, all the real values. Complex set, all the complex values. But y is bound by 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So y is a dependent variable. This y is a function of x. So that is why we write y equals f, function of x. So how do we find out the value? If x equals 1, what is the y? If this y is 2x plus 3, I am putting x as 1. Y equals 2 into 1 plus 3. What do you get? Y equals 3 plus 2, 5. So y equals 5. Similarly, when you put x as 2, 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. X equals 3. 3 into 2 plus 3, 9. 4 into 2 plus 3, 11. 11. So how do we write this? This is a function of 1 which is giving you a value of 5. f1 is 5. Because fx is 2x plus 3. When you put x as 1, you get 5. f2 as 7. f3 as 9. f4 as 11. Let me take a negative value now. F negative value, negative 4. Same function, x we are going to put as negative 4. So 2 into negative 4 plus 3 minus 8 plus 3. What is the value? Negative 4, you get negative 5. F negative 4. So what do you get? You get a value of negative 5. There can be algebraic combination of two functions. They can be combined. There are multiple properties. So gx is x squared, that is g4 is, just put x as 4. 4 square is 16. H minus 2, just put x as negative 2 here. 3 into negative 2 minus 2, that is minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8. Negative 8. G negative 3, just put negative 3. Negative 3 whole square is 9. My negative 3 whole square is 9. Plus 9. H5. Put x as 5. 3 into 5, negative minus 2. So you get 13. H4 plus G1. You can combine two functions. You can add two functions. Put x as 1 in the first one. H as x as 4 in the second one. 1 will be 10, 1 will be 2, 1, that is 10 plus 1 is 11. H negative 5 and G minus 2. So 3 into negative multiplied by negative 5 minus 2 and multiplied by minus 2 whole square. And what do you get? This is going to be 17, the first one, H negative 5 and G negative 2. This is negative 17. What do you get here? Negative 2 square is 4. 4 into negative 17 is negative 68. GH3. Let us take 3, H3. So 3 into 3 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now you have to put this 7 in G. That is G7 you have to find out. G7. G7. Okay, put it here. G7. 7 squared is 49. 49. HG2. First G2. Put 2 here. 2 squared is 4. So 4 here. Now put H. Inside this we get 4. You have H4. That is going to be 3 into 4 minus 2. That is 12 minus 2. That is going to be 10. So how to evaluate? The domain is given. That is the possible values of x are given. X is negative 1. X is 0. X is 2. Let us take one of these. Others I'll leave it to you. F negative 1 we have to find out. So 4 into negative 1 is negative 4. F and 0. This is 4 into 0. That is going to be 0. And 4 into 2. That is, I'm putting x as this 2. 4 into 2 is going to be 8. What is the range? What is the value of y? Negative 4, 0, 8. Similarly, The second one will give you negative 11, 12, negative 9, negative 3. The third one is 0, negative 1, and 3. So this is the domain. Just put the value of x, find out the value of y.